Hi guys, welcome to learn Chinese. I am Abdurrahman. Before start the class, I want to say there is a quiz on cards. So you solve these questions. I ask some Chinese words and their meanings or their tone. Please pay attention to that and test yourself. In every video, there will be 5 words to answer that. And if you want to support me, you can subscribe and like the video. Okay guys, let's start the lesson. As I mentioned, there are 300 or 400 sounds in Chinese. And we are in chapter 3, so we will finish and we will see all the sounds in Chinese. Later we will study grammar and new characters. So let's learn the last sounds in Chinese. These are finals, and when we read finals, we will write and read like W, wa, wo, like this. Okay? And U, we will think, consider like Y, Ye, Yen, Yun. But we will do that just read finals like this. When we put something before that, in front of that, we will read U and Ü. In the second page, we will see that. Okay. Wa, wa, repeat after me. Wa, wo, wo, why, why, why. This one is I, and this Y. This is, and there is a parenthesis here. It means when you see the opinion, just we, but you should read this opinion way like this. You should write like this. You should read like this. Hui and hui. When you see this opinion, you should read like hui, hui, and this one, one. And here, for example, when you see opinion dun like this, you should read like this. Dun, like a this e read like un, dun. You think there's an here. Dun, dun, dun. Here wang, wang, weng, weng. Okay. Let's read here. Ye, ye, yuan, yan, yun. And you say u and u and n together. We will read un, and u and n. You will think there is an y here. Win, win, like this. Okay, we will repeat more here. And there's an initials. I will repeat this one, and please repeat after me. D, D, T, T, N, N, L, L, Z, Z. Do you remember how to do this? You prepare your tongue like saying D, D, but without saying D, you should say Z, 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 Z. And this is similar. You prepare your tongue like saying T, but you should say without saying S, 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 S. Here is S, S. This one is Ju, Ju. This one is Chu, Chu. This one is Shu, Shu. R, R. g, g, k, k, h, h. Okay, like this. And we repeat the finals again. U, u, wa, wa. Here we read u like u, wa, don't w. Wa, because we put something before that. Wa, o, o. Here, y, y. This one is way. You see, we write like we, but we should read like way, dway, tway, zway, sway, like this. And one, duan, tuan, like this. And we read and write un, but we will read dun, tun, lun, and one, juan, chuan, shuang, like this. Okay, repeat after me again. Here, do, do, duo, duo, dway, dway, duan, duan, dun, dun. Don't read like dun or dui. This one is dui, dui. This one is dun, dun. Okay? Okay, here. Tu, tu, tuo, tuo, tway, tway, tuan, tuan, tun, tun, nu, nu, nuo, nuo, nuan, nuan. And these are empty. It means there is no a voice like this. For example, dui. There is no dui sound in Chinese. It means that. Okay, again here, lu, lu, luo, luo, luan, luan, lun, lun. Here, zu, zu, zo, zo, zui, zui, zuan, zuan, zun, zun. Here, su, su, so, so, say, say, suan, suan, sun, sun, like this. Here, su, su, so, so, sui, sway, sway, swan, swan, sun, sun. Here, ju, ju, jua, jua, juo, juo, juai, juai, jue, jue, juan, 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 juan. Here, chu, chu, chua, chua, chuo, chuo, try, try, tray, tray, chuan, chuan, chun, chun, chuan, chuan, shu, shu, shua, shua, shuo, shuo, shui, 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 shuan, shuan, shun, shun, shuan, shuan, ru, ru, rua, rua, ru, ru, rui, rui, ruan, ruan, run, 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 gu, gu, gua, gua, guo, guo, guai, guai, gui, gui, guan, guan, gun, gun, guan, guan, ku, ku, qua, qua, quo, quo, quai, quai, quay, quay, quan, quan, kun, kun, quang, quang, yuan, who, hua, hua, huo, huo, huai, huai, hui, 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 huan, huan, hun, hun, huang, huang. Okay, we finished here and here. These one initials n, n, l, l, g, g, chi, chi, she, she. Okay. Here there is a difference between here. For example, here ü, nü, lü. We write nü, lü. But here just you, just ju. Because of that, we have ju, chu, shu. So if you write like this, it means you read ju. If you write like this, you should read chu, 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 shu, shu. Okay, so here to say ju and chu and shu, you don't need to put this letter ü. But here n and l, there is no initial word. Here we have ju and ji, shu, chi, shu, shi, but there is no alternative for these letters. So if you want to say nu here, and if you want to say nu, you should write like this. It's important for keyboard. If you want to write nu, for example, this character is nu. If you want to write this character, you should write use this letter. And if you want to write nu is another character, you should write this y. Okay, and it's same with l, lu, lü. Here you should change these letters. Here you should change these initials. Okay, I think you understand that. If you have more questions for this, please write on a comment section and I will answer that. Here we repeat again. Please repeat after me. Nu, nu, nue, nue, lu, lü, lue, lue, ju, ju, jue, jue, juen, juen, jun, jun, chu, chu, chue, chue, chuen, chuen, Chun, chun, shu, shu, shue, shue, shuen, shuen, shin, shin, like this. And you should repeat these pains too much, and I make you remember again. You can do a quiz and test yourself on the cards you will see on upper left part of the screen. Okay guys, I hope the video helps you to improve your Chinese and you enjoy learning Chinese, and see you next video. Take care of yourself.